What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I am with this site, Swagbucks, doing another video on it, just showing you how really it's my number one get paid to site. I'm cashing out almost daily with the site. I'm going to do a quick $5 cash out. You'll see here my balance. I have $3.06, but I'm going to cash out $5, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that in a minute. But first, just give you a little tutorial on how I make money with this site. You see here, this is the home page. You have these surveys that you can take. I always go to the answer section, that way you can see a full list of all the surveys. And sometimes they offer bonuses, sometimes they don't. But the thing is, their surveys really do pay well. So you'll see here are all the surveys they have. And you see these first two, they have the star check tool, and that means they're featured, and you have a high chance of qualifying for that. They both pay, $2.50. But the thing is, a lot of their surveys are really good as far as the time. Right here, 8-minute survey, you get basically 200 swag bucks, which is $2. 9-minute survey, 50 cents. 11-minute survey, 75. Like, the thing about it is, I try to, look for surveys that are at the very least under 15 minutes, that way I can kind of knock those out. Because, even though it says, 7 minutes here, it might take you a little less. It says 54 minutes here, it might take you, maybe 10, 15 minutes, earlier than that, just depending on how fast you are taking surveys. And you'll see here over here, this is how you really get your surveys to actually, to really stop disqualifying for most of your surveys. So you'll see here your survey profile. You want to answer this all the time. This will pop up like once every 2 days. It just wants to continue to ask you questions just to make sure they're giving you surveys that kind of align with this. So, you're able to complete a lot more surveys, and in doing that, you make more money with this. So you'll see here, earn 2 swag bucks for every 10 questions. They're going to ask you 10 questions. Bam, you get 2 swag bucks after that. And sometimes you can go through this, a good, amount of times and just accumulate swag bucks in doing that. So always recommend doing this as much as you can, because really with this, it isn't disqualification. You're really just answering profile questions, but they're paying you to do that. A lot of survey sites don't pay you to answer profile questions, but Swagbucks does. Another reason why I love it. Another thing I do here, I jump over to the discovery section and I do offers. So I'm going to show you the full list of offers that they have. So here it is, and if I scroll down, you'll look at featured offers. These are things you can do right here. Sign up instantly and earn 150 swag bucks. It's just like AARP thing. You can play games, earn a lot of swag bucks. The offer walls I really pay attention to are these right here. I will tell you, review, that is one of my favorite ones on this site, just because, you're really making a good amount of money with this, with the offers. They're very simple to do. Sometimes they will actually double the amount of points you can get on these offers. So I'm going to show you just a few of the review offers that they have. So right here, earn swag bucks with a few simple clicks, 7 cents for doing that. Play solitary grand harvest, 526 swag bucks for that. You'll see here, I've already, in this offer wall alone, I've already made 14,208 swag bucks, which is a little bit over $142. So I really do use this. A lot of these offers are free and they're simple to do. Look, apply for Walmart money card today, 92 cents. Sign up for Chime today, 127 swag bucks. Right here, you can deposit and trade $5 at Robinhood. Yes, you'll have to spend $5, but they're going to give you $24 back. Just little stuff like that. Register for H&R Block, that's free, 32 cents. Get insurance codes, 27 cents. So the offers, they really do pay. It's just signing up for stuff. It's simple to do. Even though there was that Robinhood one that requires, you to pay $5, but for that one, they're giving you $24 back. So if you tell me, look, I got to give you $5, you're going to give me $24, I'm going to take that deal 10 times out of 10. But at the same time, they have lots of free offers that you can choose from. And you can see by the amount of swag bucks that I've gotten in this offer wall alone that I really do use it. And I really do pay attention to just, all the free offers and things that just ask me to sign up for and they're paying me to do. And obviously, if it's something that you don't want, you can always, cancel your subscription, block the emails coming from them, whatever it is. But it's just free money in the offers. And this is just the review. They have offer Turo, they have AdGate, Ad to Media, lots of different offer walls you can choose from. And it's just doing this, you will just make money with the site, and then making money with the site, this is how you get your bonuses up. Okay, so this is how I'm going to show you how to do that. You'll see here at the top, earn 85 swag bucks and get 6 swag bucks. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Now, I just logged on to the site today, so I haven't really done anything. I'm just, starting this video this morning, but you'll see here, if I make 85 cents on this site, they're going to give me an extra 6 cents. And if I make $11.70, which is basically 1,170 swag bucks, they're going to give me 77 cents back. So that's just 84 cents total if I just hit both of these. And you continue to do this for a 7-day streak, they're going to give you 25 swag bucks. But the thing is, like, I really do accumulate the bonuses because you'll see here, if I get 7 days straight, 25, 14 straight, 100, 21 days, 200, 31 days, 300. So, I mean, just if you're on this site every day, just making money, just basically hitting the first bonus. All I can do is hit the first bonus, getting 85 cents, which is very simple to do. I mean, you can knock that out really, with one simple offer, a simple survey, whatever it is. If you do that for 31 days straight, you're going to basically get 625 cents extra to your balance just in bonuses alone, because you get the 7 cent, the 7-day streak, another 25. You get another 7-day streak, you're going to get 100. I mean, they're just really just adding on bonuses all throughout. And when you do this, you're going to continue to add up and you're going to be able to cash out your bonus. And so for me, I know I have a bonus that I can claim. So let me exit out of this and go right back into it. That way I can see it. Right here, my January bonus, 282 swag bucks that I have not claimed yet. I have to claim before for the 20th. So I'm going to claim that today, claim bonus. And I didn't use it 31 days straight just because, there are times where you just, you can't use the site because I was on vacation and, doing different things. So there are some times that I fail. Most of the time I do hit, a good amount of bonuses, but, 282 swag bucks bonus, I like it. So I'm going to exit out and I'm going to refresh my balance here. So you see here, 306 swag bucks. Let's see how much I get now. It should be almost $6. 588 swag bucks, just like that. So, the bonuses, they really do add up. And of course, now I'm able to cash out. So I'm going to go to the rewards section. And you will see here, these are all the different gift cards you can get. They got the featured gift cards. They got the on-sale rewards. But basically, you get a discount like right here. If I want to cash out a $25 virtual Visa gift card, all I got to do is give them 2,175 swag bucks because it is 13% off. All of these gift cards are on sale. So, I usually cash out with those, but for this smaller cash out, since I'm basically just getting $5, I'm just going to have that sent to my PayPal. So I'm going to scroll down to most popular rewards and use the PayPal feature. I will tell you the minimum to cash out on this site is only $2, so it doesn't take a long time to accumulate, and they have lots of different ways that you can cash out. So let me show you my PayPal options. So right here, this is the one I'm going to get $5 PayPal, but you'll see these are the most popular ones: PayPal, Amazon. This right here is very popular just because it's always on sale. If I had, that amount of swag bucks, which, I can probably get that, today or tomorrow, but that's what I usually cash out on. I have plenty of videos of me cashing out that plenty of times. So, these are just ones that people usually typically choose when they're cashing out on this site. But like I said, for me, I got $5. So I'm going to click this PayPal option here. And you'll see here some stuff that I can read. It says allow 3 to 10 business days for payment to be transferred. I tell you all the time, it does not take that long. At the most, it takes 3 days. So I don't have to wait that long. So I'm going to click claim gift card. Just like that, you just verified your gift card. So now the $5 is on my way. You see here, it says processing. So I maybe wait 2 days, 3 days at the most in order to get my money. So, like I said all the time, this is my number one get paid to site. There's a lot of bonuses in here, a lot of different easy offers that you can do. You get paid for the surveys. And I didn't even mention when it comes to the surveys, they do offer disqualification points. So whatever survey that you attempt, if you don't actually complete it because, you get disqualified for whatever reason, they will actually give you 1 swag buck, which is 1 cent. So you're always getting something for your time. Plenty of reward options to choose from. So there's really no reason to not get involved with this site. You see here my balance, I cashed out $5. Now I have 88 cents left on my account. So that's going towards my next cash out. So just wanted to show you guys that very, very easy site to use. Link to it is in the description. Sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.